Hey guys, I wanted to go ahead and record an intro video so you would know how this online process is going to work. And I already recorded this video one time and it was great, and Canvas didn't upload it, and also Liberty's going to wake up in like 15 minutes, so I got to do this in one take. So anyway, first things first, I miss you guys. As a teacher, we do all this work behind the scenes, and then my reward is that I get to actually teach you guys in the classroom and interact with you. So now I'm just doing all the work behind the scenes and I have no social interaction whatsoever. So this is not the most pleasant situation, but we're going to make it work. So I'm sure you've heard by now that we're not coming back till April 24th. So we'll be in this thing for a month, so we can do this. So what's going to happen every day is I went ahead and already posted on Canvas, on your actual Canvas calendar, you can see the daily activities. Also, I made a pacing guide that I put as the first item in the online learning module, and it has the calendar for the next 2 weeks. Obviously, when I made it, I didn't know we were going to be out to the 24th. So what you're going to do each day is I'm just going to post all the material as I get it. We're collaborating to make it less work. So Miss Nicely, myself, and Miss Stanley are all recording videos, and Mr. Hyder and Mr. Burke and them are doing quizzes and resources. So once we get all the materials together, we'll upload it as soon as we have it. But again, each day you're going to go on there and find that day's activity, and that's going to be like today's 13-1 day 1 practice. So this intro video is replacing your notes. So each day you'll have a notes video, and then you'll have a couple questions below to answer. We may assign Delta Math for a few assignments just because there's some good questions on there instead of having that quiz on Canvas. But either way, you're going to be answering a couple questions each day as sort of like your homework. So below that quiz is going to be something called extra resources. So today's is 13-1 day 1 extra resources, and it's going to have everything in that document. It's a page, extra material. So if you want to do extra work, if you need more practice on the concepts, there'll be Study Island, which is a new single sign-on app that they just released, I think 2 days ago. So we'll have assignments in there. We'll have Delta Math every day if available. We have CUDA worksheets, which is just a practice worksheet that has lots of examples on it, and an answer sheet. I'll have the notes from the previous year that we would have taught in class, and they're going to be the old notes, so they won't have any updates of things I've learned to teach it better, but I'm not going to recreate notes that we're not actually using. So I'll just post the notes from last year just as extra practice. And in the videos, we're mostly going to take those notes from last year anyway and pull out the highlights and pull out a couple questions. And we're just the videos will be about 15 minutes at most, and we'll just work through several problems, and you guys will do your homework. And your expectation from Science Hill is that you work 30 minutes or 40 minutes every day on each class. So you do need to spend 30-40 minutes on this class every day. So today you shouldn't spend that long. Today should be just a quick intro, so watch this video, answer 3 questions, and then you're done. But the quiz will be here, and then indented will be those extra resources every single day. So I did not succeed. Here comes Liberty. Hey, princess. And we're back. Okay, so I just want to go ahead and finish up this video. Obviously, being stuck at home in this quarantine situation means that we have real life with us. So my real life is 3 years old and does not follow a normal schedule of napping and everything as perfectly as she should. So I will do my very best to record videos, answer emails, do all that jazz around her schedule, just because in actuality, I'm a mom and that's my first job. So I understand. I'm understanding that you're at home, and I don't know what you guys have going on in your lives. I don't know if you're actually able to. Also, I'm going to fix this focusing problem. It keeps focusing. There we go. So I'm not sure what you guys have to deal with every single day. So I understand that math is not the top priority. I totally understand that. But in the end, it's for your benefit that you do your math. So math is a sort of thing where you just take bite-sized pieces and then work your way up. So do not wait till April 24th and try to cram in all your course material, because you're not going to be able to learn anything. So do your best to give it 30 minutes every single day that you need, piece by piece. Do you see yourself? Piece by piece, and then we'll work through it together. So I am understanding that this is not what you're going to do every single day, but try your best to stay on that pacing guide, to stay on that calendar. If you get behind a little bit, just make the effort to catch up. So do your very best to give that due diligence every single day. So with that being said, I will do my very best to respond to emails. every single day by 3 p.m. So if you email me by 3 p.m., I will try my very, very best to get that email. Can you put your hand right here? That email out before 3 p.m. I do have my Apple Watch, so I can see emails that come in directly, or Canvas emails, or Blooms, or whatever method you choose to message me by. But if it's not complicated, I can respond to it after 3. But her nap is usually from 1 to 3-ish, so I'll have that window, hopefully, I'll have that window where I can answer any questions that you guys have. Also, I'm at home by myself with a 3-year-old, so my interaction every day is Elsa and playing hide and seek. So if you guys want to send me a joke or just say hi at some point in time, that'd be so great. So I understand that we're all kind of isolated, and it's just me and my little girl here, so if you guys need anything, you need to chat, anything, need help on anything, your life is not going great, anything at all. If you need anything, just message me, and I'm here for you as much as social distancing will allow me to be. Make good choices, do your best. If you need anything at all, let me know. I think I've answered everything. Oh yes, one more thing. You will have 2 attempts on each of those quizzes. So if you make a mistake on the first try, just go ahead and try again. Please don't just click through and just pretend this, because in the end, mathematics, it changes the way your brain works. So whether or not you agree that everyone should know Algebra 1 doesn't matter. In the end, it makes you a better problem solver, it makes you a better human being. Also, it's required to graduate high school, so just do your best in this class. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and call it quits right here, but I hope you guys make good choices. Hopefully I'll see you guys April 24th.